So in this video, I'll be showing you how to add your birthday to your profile in Where Winds Meet. Now all you need to do is simply navigate to the menu and then simply choose your profile, like so. Once you've selected your profile successfully, you should be able to see this option, Edit Profile. Go ahead and select it and then choose the option Birthday. Now all you need to do is simply enter the month as well as the day, and you can choose who it's visible to. So anybody can see it, or just your friends, or just yourself. Once you've done that, simply confirm the changes and confirm that you won't be able to change it again for another whole year. Once you've confirmed that, you can now see that your birthday has been successfully added to your profile. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.